Do you want your plants to thrive and look beautiful? Today, we're diving into the art of watering, a vital aspect of plant care. Different plants require unique watering techniques for optimal growth and health. Stay tuned to learn how to give your green friends the care they need. Each plant type has its unique watering needs. Let's dive a bit deeper into this. Succulents, for instance, are desert dwellers. They're used to dry conditions and require less frequent watering. On the other hand, leafy houseplants are typically tropical. They thrive in humid environments and need more frequent watering. But be careful not to overwater. Soggy soil can lead to root rot. As for outdoor plants, their watering needs can vary greatly depending on their species and the local climate. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply but less often. This encourages deep root growth, making your plants more resilient. Remember, knowing your plant's water needs is the first step towards a thriving garden. Now, let's dive into the watering process. Begin by checking the soil's moisture level. If it's dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. For succulents and cacti, wait until the soil is completely dry. When watering, focus on the base of the plant to ensure the water reaches the roots, not just the surface. Pour slowly until you see water flowing out of the drainage holes. That's your sign to stop. Remember, overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering. It's better to water deeply and less frequently, allowing the roots to breathe and absorb nutrients. For hanging or high-placed plants, consider using a watering can with a long spout for ease and precision. With these steps, you're on your way to have happy, healthy plants. Let's recap what we've learned today. Understanding your plant's watering needs and mastering the art of watering are crucial for healthy, thriving plants. That's all for today's watering guide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips. Happy gardening!